Control System Part 2. Some questions and their answers. Explain open loop control system. Answer. Control system in which output quantity has no effect on the input quantity is called open loop control system. Open loop control system has no facility to correct automatically the error generated in the output. Explain open loop control system. From output of the system, no feedback is given back to the input for correction. In open loop control system, the output can be varied by varying the input, but due to the external disturbance, system output may change. Any variation in the output from the desired one can again be attained by varying the inputs manually. Advantages. Open loop system is simple and economical. Construction of open loop system is easier. Open loop systems are generally stable. Disadvantages. Open loop systems are inaccurate and unreliable. The changes in the outputs due to external disturbance are not corrected automatically. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Explain closed loop control system. Control system in which the output has an effect on the input quantity in such a manner that the input quantity will adjust itself based on the output generated is called closed loop control system. Open loop control system can be modified into closed loop control system by providing a feedback. This feedback automatically corrects the changes in the output due to external disturbance. Hence, closed loop control system is called automatic control system. Advantages. Closed loop control systems are more accurate even in the presence of non-linearities. The sensitivity of the system may be made small to make the system more stable. The closed loop systems are less affected by noise. Disadvantages. Closed loop control systems are costlier and complex. The feedback in the closed loop system may lead to oscillatory response. The feedback reduces the overall gain of the system. Stability is the major problem in the closed loop system, and more care is needed to design a stable closed loop system. What happens if transmitter wires get shorted? The barrier, if installed, limits electrical energy flowing into the hazardous area. If there is no barrier, typically a fuse in the power distribution system will blow. What will happen if thermocouple wires get shorted? A cold junction compensated instrument will typically indicate temperature of the location where the thermocouple wires are shorted. Why do we require loop terminating resistor in any digital communication loop? A minimum loop resistance is required so that modulated current signal produces a modulated voltage signal which may be detected by the receiving equipment. What is adapter flange? It is a transmitter part of allowing process connection to pipe/tube. How to calculate the safe distance between cables to avoid electromagnetic interference of each other. The design engineers/equipment manufacturers follow/publish certain guidelines with respect to different types of cables and the voltages/currents and types of signals carried by them. How should control loop be tuned in process loop? Answer: you may use Ziegler-Nichols method, open loop/closed loop, or special tuning software tools. What is the significance of single-ended and differential-ended input for PLC? Application-wise comparison of these two types of inputs. Differential input provide better common mode rejection and signal to noise ratio. What is ground loop? What are the preventive steps to avoid ground loops? When ground wiring is not done properly, grounding of the various points is not effective and potential differences exist between them, resulting in currents flowing between them. This leads to measurement errors and is not desirable. It can be eliminated by proper grounding wiring. In a globe type control valve, what is the importance of flow direction? Top to bottom or bottom to top? Control valves must be installed as per direction marking provided by the manufacturers or instruction manuals, though people tend to generalize it for all cases, which is often misleading. Question: what is ATEX directives/FM approval/CSA approved/CE certified? Answer: ATEX FM CSA certifications generally refer to certification for suitability of instruments for use in hazardous area when installed in accordance with recommended guidelines. Question: what is the importance of individual certification? Answer: any certification which is locally acceptable as per statutory requirements may be used. Question: which certification do we prefer? We typically accept American/European/Indian certifications/approvals in India. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.